Note that I want to mention something very important, yet we're not get familiar with error handling, but something is very important, you might get face issue with that. I written a simple for loop here from 0 to 5, and note that my variable it is as integer, and as you know integer it is whole number not supporting decimal, and I mentioned the decimal values will round it up, but here because it starts from 0 and going 0.5 and next one is getting 0.5 won't add it actually, it will stop on the 0. If I run this code, you will stuck on the infinite loop. So you won't able to save it or control it. In this case, I always recommend you to save your document and your codes always, then start running. But I will give you one more additional tip if you forgot to save and you stuck in some conditions such as infinite loop. It is very simple but important. If I run the macro, you will see start generating the 0 value. And it is stuck. You see, you cannot control it. And because this code, it is working on the Visual Basic, not on the Word, you cannot stop here. In this case, go to the Visual Basic, click on that, and then hold on the Control or Command key and press Page Break. You could actually do for multiple times, and then you have wait until get responded. You have no other choices unless using Control or Command Page Break to stop breaking your running code.